Welcome to the Configuring Scheduled Fees video tutorial. We demonstrate how to configure scheduled fees in this video tutorial. If you want to set up scheduled fees that will run on a regular basis, such as monthly, termly, and so on. Assuming you watched the video on enrollment-based fees, we will now go a step further to learn about scheduling enrollment-based fees. Let's get started and set some fees scheduled. Navigate to Manage from the main menu, then to Fees and Levies, and finally to Enrollment-based Fees. Always double-check that you have the correct year, program, and course selected. Continue by clicking on the green Add Fee button in the upper right corner. Assign a unique fee code, and the title does not need to be unique. For example, the fee title could be tuition fee across all fees set for all courses, but the code must be unique, such as MTH-TUIT-N1 to indicate that this fee is only for the N1 course. Again, select the appropriate program from the drop-down, followed by the course from the next drop-down. Enter the appropriate fee amounts. Is global must be checked in order to make the fee mandatory for all students enrolled in the chosen course. To allow scheduling, uncheck once off. The new student fee is optional, depending on your needs. Make sure the once-off option is unchecked to make the fee available for scheduling. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video, and remember to like, subscribe, and enable notifications on our YouTube channel.